This video is how to complete your gastrostomy tube education documentation. You can use the Care Compass task for nursing education that pops up at 0300 and 1500, or you can always go into our ad hoc forms to be able to complete this education anytime. In your ad hoc forms, go to NICU form, nursing education. This is our same general education nursing form that we use for all of our general education as well as our NICU baby basics. On the left-hand side, there is a G-tube education section. You will then select each of the G-tube topics that you went over with the family, who you taught, the barriers, your teaching method, and their comprehension. You do need to chart each of these topics individually. Once the family has completed all of our G-tube education topics and are competent, we do want you to put the caregiver name and the date that they completed competency in both feeding through the G-tube independently, as well as giving medications through the G-tube. Once you're all done, you'll sign your form. And then you can check the status of our G-tube education and charting in your 5P page under the education section. If you do not see G-tube education section activated, you can activate this at any time by going into our ad hoc forms, again going to NICU forms, and you'll go to nursing education order. From there, you can select G-tube education, select new G-tube, and it will pre-select all of the different topics related to G-tube education. Once you sign that form and refresh your 5P page, it will then show up under G-tube education. If there was any topics that were completed on that ad hoc form or in your nursing education prior to activating that, they will still carry over as long as they were charted in that correct G-tube section of your nursing education charting.